America's largest and most reliable network. Verizon. Built so you can rule the air.
Well, we unlocked the most important test known to man. Driving test.
And one day starts today. One day after you waste on contact lenses. Remember only one day. So they're always fresh, always comfortable.
I think they're saying it's cold. Well, they're telling me to go back inside. They're gonna attack me.
Because we want you to join the thousands of women participating in Celtrix's biggest promotion ever. That's right, we'll send everyone who calls in the next 5 minutes a risk-free trial of a skin-correcting breakthrough Celtrixa. If you want to watch your stretch marks disappear from view, call 1-800-598-9485 right now. The scientifically proven ingredients in Celtrixa visibly reduce the appearance of stretch marks.
Birds, move!
Even the deepest, darkest stretch marks are no match for Celtrixa.
They're like that tree, that one, and that one. And somewhere on that one right there. And that one. Right there. They've just been flying around.
So, I used one of the new Herbal Essences collections.
See the little black spots on the tree? And there they go again.
And was transported to the lush paradise.
Bye-bye, birdies.
Hair glowing,
Bye-bye.
softness, and glistening shine. Now that's paradise. Clearly, someone's been doing the herbal. The reformulated Herbal Essences collections.
Come on, the rest of y'all go.
The way nature intended.
Fresh and white.
Move along now.
It whitens, and I bet your breath will still feel fresh after the movie.
Crest Extra White plus Scope Outlast for a fresh breath feeling that lasts up to 5 times longer.
Still fresh?
Yeah, I don't want to be mad, but it's tough with that smile. Crest Extra White plus Scope Outlast.
Look at Slade. He's trying to sneak up on one of them birdies. Or he found a squirrel somewhere. He's looking at them birds. Never mind, here comes the garbage truck. Let's go inside because they're not stalker people. We're just gonna watch them.
I'm happy her attitude has changed. She's more upbeat. Her workouts have been just strenuous, and she has been attacking them like crazy.
Slade, go get a bird.
This is my priority right now because I know I'm doing something right and I need to do what's best for me.
Uh-oh, he's scared of the garbage man too.
Wow. You just proved to me right then and there that you got it all in you. Awesome.
They gonna think I'm a freak.
Proud of you.
I'm working extremely hard and it's ridiculous how much I work out. I'm sticking with the diet plan. She knows that that's the way to lose weight and I'm gonna do it.
5 seconds to go. Breathe. How you feeling?
My body's on fire. Things with my mom are definitely better. She works out with me.
Well, move my garbage can so I can go get it.
Tight.
There you go.
I'm extremely proud of her.
Stop right in front of my house,
A lot of our eating habits tremendously, and I'm just very excited for her. I'm impressed.
Garbage trucks stink. I smell them from in here.
It's good for me to meet new friends through dance, and it just makes me realize how much I enjoy dancing. You guys are really good dancers. Thank you.
I think he's talking to me.
I was wondering if you wanted to go get coffee or something and just talk. It's been about a year since I went out with friends, and it's something to get back into. I think that the changes are noticeable, and that's something that I'm proud of myself.
Okay, say bye bye to the little trash dude,
That's
man, truck thing.